Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC Coupe. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in excellent condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, brushed aluminum trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sill. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, glass black center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This C300 Coupe has 31,501 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.